It's Christmas Eve and we just ate Chick-fil-A and Zoe got a cool new game in her kids meal, and so we're playing the game and we're going to Grandma's house.
Okay, Mom.
Okay.
What smell makes you HAPPIEST?
Happiest?
Yeah.
The smell of good food.
Okay, who wants to do the next cards?
Say hi.
Okay, since Dad's driving,
James
you do the
doesn't
next
like to
round,
be in my
Mama.
vlogs.
Mama, you can do the next round.
Okay.
You have to read the cards now.
Alright. Alright. Zoe, what smell makes you happiest?
The smell of wet dog.
Okay, if you could learn a new language, which would you choose?
Your turn, Dad.
He just answered that
Answer
one.
that one.
Oh.
You answer them all.
Okay.
Good job,
Oh my
babe.
god, I almost just died.
What's up?
Where is she? Huh?
Mama, stay there.
Okay.
Stop right there.
Bet. Let's go get Grandma.
They're bending. Oh my god. No. Zoe, smile. Woo!
Your ankle's hurting.
How was it?
Oh, it was good, but my ankle really hurt.
Your ankle hurts?
Okay, Dad's tapped out.
Look at Dad's seal.
Mashed potatoes.
Potato.
Got a potato.
Potato.
Got a potato, chupero.
Are you making my plate, James?
Yeah.
Mom, can you do that for me?
Yeah.
Why
Mom.
are you being so nice to me lately?
Huh?
Why are you being so nice to me lately?
Talking about.
Mommy, could you get this? Could
Yeah.
you do that? Yay.
Yeah, I'll get it for you.
This is fuzzy.
Want me to be a dick?
No.
So what happens when you're nice to me?
I'm always nice to you. Is this mine or Zoe's?
This is Zoe's.
Oh.
She gets hers first.
Okay.
There you go, babe. Careful, it's hot.
Thanks. Where's my mashed potato and gravy?
There is no mashed potatoes.
It's a twice baked potato.
Twice.
It's even better.
Where's my
Wait.
gravy?
There it comes.
I like this.
Come on down.
Thank you.
Is it good, babe?
What are we doing?
Wrap, baby.
What day is it?
Christmas Eve.
It's Christmas Eve.
Are you ready? Let's do it.
We're gonna wrap right now. We have all this to wrap. So much wrapping. Stocking stuffer. Dad got Zoe a bottle of champagne. Just kidding, it's Martinelli's. What is it? It's Martinelli's. It's
Yeah,
Welch's.
boy.
And then we have to build this. Actually, Dad has to build it.
And I'll vlog you while you build it. So.
We did it. We wrapped all of our presents. Woohoo! We did it. We're halfway through with this house, this mansion. We're halfway there. We did all that though. It's almost 1:30 in the morning and James just finished building the dollhouse. Yay! We did it. He did it. Woohoo! High five. cute. It has a garage. And rooms, it's a mansion. It's so cute. Ta-da! Christmas, Christmas, Merry Christmas.
You want more, please?
Please what?
Got the dressing room. Oh, I always wanted this. And laundry rooms in here. There's a laundry room.
There is.
No way.
This is a playhouse and I got a laundry room in it. You open that for me.
Rip it open, dude. You gotta tear it open. Show me.
I wonder if I got a girl or a boy.
I don't know. You gotta open it up. You can do it later though.
Dad.
Oh, thank you.
Mom.
Thank you.
Better.
Better.
Better with.
Better
With.
with
Butter.
butter.
Yeah! Oh, good one. English.
No.
No.
Already.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Oh my god. This game is so fun.
Sexy.
Nice. Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, I got you.
You have to take that out.
I can't.
Okay.
It is December 26th, the day after Christmas, and we are so tired, even though we had a really, really good Christmas. Huh, Zoe? Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah.
Good, I'm glad. I had a great Christmas, but we are exhausted, and we are on our way with Chick-fil-A to go visit my grandma.
And with Rosie.
And, oh yeah, we have Rosie too. Rosie! We're gonna go visit my grandma and have a little belated Christmas with her today. And that's probably all we're gonna do because we're exhausted. We have been running around all over visiting all of Zoe's grandparents, huh? You have like 100 billion grandparents. And yeah, that's what we've been doing. So anyways, we'll see you later. No, those are Jackson. Where are we going?
Build a bit.
Are you gonna spend your gift card?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Let's go.
How exciting.
Yay! You got your Build-A-Bear. Let me see. Yay! So cute. It's Saturday night. Is it Saturday? Yeah, it's Saturday. We just took all the... This looks so bad. Please don't judge our cabinets. But we just took all of the cabinet doors off of the cabinets because we're gonna repaint these. This is what they look like before, and we're gonna paint them all like a white color, and we're gonna redo this kitchen, but it's gonna be DIY style because, you know. And then we're eventually gonna get all new appliances too, so stay tuned. Good morning, it is Sunday and I'm looking pretty ratchet. We are taking full advantage of this Christmas break and not having to get up super early, and you know, we're just taking full advantage of being lazy, but unfortunately my baby girl is sick today, so I haven't really been vlogging that much because it's been Christmas and it's about to be New Year's, and I'm just enjoying, you know, this break and spending time with my family and the holidays. So probably starting next week, my vlogs will be a little bit more exciting. But anyways, our kitchen looks like this right now because we're gonna paint the cabinets. We have a lot of shit in our cabinets. And we're gonna repaint them and redo this kitchen. It's gonna be DIY style because, you know, we're balling on a budget. But it's gonna look good because it just is. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Oh, also, I have a freaking sty in my eye, like on my lower lash line. Oh, it hurts so bad. So I'm kind of like taking a break from makeup because I've been doing a lot of makeup lately. And I'm gonna give my skin a break, and I'm just gonna embrace my full ratchetness. Look at my hair. It's like half in a braid and half not. So I'm looking rough. I look like a hillbilly right now. But anyways, I'm gonna make some breakfast, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth, and I just started my period today, which sucks because I have really bad cramps. But I got those like menstrual cup things. I know that's so gross, but I think maybe I'll wait till tomorrow because today's the first day of my period. But I think I'm gonna try them out. I'm really scared though because they're really big. But I'll let you guys know how it goes. Anyways, yeah. My sickie, I'm just cuddling my little sickie baby in bed. She's feeling better. We're loving on each other. Huh, I love when I can just lay with my little baby and stare at her cute little face. I'm glad she's feeling better. I look like I'm sick. I look like I am way sicker than you actually are. And I'm not even sick. That's the sad part. I don't always look glamorous, okay? Actually, the majority of the time, like 90% of the time, I look like this, and the other 10% is like full glam. There's no in between. There's just complete trash or full glam. Homeless, full glam. No in between. No, she's trying to kiss my lips, but I don't want to get sick. No, I feel bad. How can I reject a kiss from my little baby? Oh, you're so sweet. How come you only want to kiss me when you're sick? Why? You're too close to my mouth. If I get sick, you better take care of me. Are you going to take care of me if I get sick? Don't breathe on me. You're getting your spores. Stop. No, it's on my hand. No. If I get the flu, I'm gonna be upset. Don't tickle my armpit. If I get the flu, I'm blaming you. Stop! I can feel it! Stop! No. Go to sleep. You need a nap. Oh my god, it's like a dragon. Like dragon breath. There's our throw-up bucket. Your throw-up bucket in the back. The background. Bye. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys my dinner because it's pretty sad and ghetto. I'm having a hot dog sandwich, slightly burnt, because we don't have any buns, so it's not even a freaking hot dog, it's a hot dog sandwich, and baked beans from the can because I'm ghetto. You know, can't always flex. Sometimes you just gotta have a ghetto-ass meal. Realistically, I really need to go grocery shopping, but this is what I scrounged up for dinner. And Zoe's having franks and beans and toast and some carrots. Huh? Because she's healthy.
Baby.
Oh, you guys, look at as we're remodeling our kitchen, getting ready to anyways. I don't want to get rid of this growth chart. This is 4 years of growth, a little over 4 years of growth. From 2014 all the way to today. She's grown so much. I'm gonna redo this and make it look nicer so that when we paint the kitchen, it can stay.